What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the Rogue Vet, aka Jared here. So we're getting our boy's Z06 installed, and he's got a couple of things that we're going to be doing. Basically, steering wheel, catch can, little carbon fiber piece we'll put on the steering wheel. But anyway, we're going to install those. It's going to be a quick little video that we just to showcase some of the stuff on here. So in case y'all want some of the similar things, we'll put the descriptions and the links below for those products. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. Much more videos will be coming our way, installs, car shows, etc, etc. You already know how it go. But anyway, let's get back into it. All right, we got our boy Mark here. He's gonna take our steering wheel off. We got an aftermarket carbon fiber one that we're gonna replace. We just taking the horn out right now. We did disconnect the battery in the corner here before we started. If you weren't aware, the C7 battery is back here, as you can see. And let's see, we'll kind of show you what the new one's gonna look like. Bam, look at that. And he also has a catch can here as well, kind of like the one I installed and made a video for mine. But y'all saw those on my channel. I did a catch can install video, steering wheel install video, and of course, I made like 6 videos for the carbon fiber pieces in the inside of the car, so we'll install that as well. But he's got a nice Z06. You see it there. And you can see the horn is out. Just disconnect some of the connections there. You can see it's going to be a full tutorial on how to do it, but just basically, you know, you'll get the gist of what's happening with it. There's his Instagram if you want to follow. Z06. Let's get a shot of the car again. It's in the front. I love the Z06 badging. Man, that would have been so easy for my install if I had that impact gun there, because it took like forever to get that thread out. And as you can see, the bolt that's the bolt to hold in the steering wheel. It's thick, it's got Loctite on it, and if you're just using basic tools without an impact gun, it takes forever to get these off. So there you go. So you just disconnect that, slide it right through. There's the steering wheel. I'll take that. And there's the stock one. Not bad, not bad. You can add carbon fiber on the middle piece to kind of make it better, but if you want something a little bit more oomph, I guess you could say, then bam, you got the one here he's got in the trunk. So definitely looks a little bit better. We'll hand that to the master mechanic, Marky Mark over here. But his whips are over there. I'll do a quick little pan of his whips. C5 Z06, big Wayne gang, right there. Nice, real nice. It's got the wide body on the back here. Z06. I like the gold wheels. And he's got a Stingray as well, classic, probably like 70s. Also got a Mero Jeep. And then a couple other things here. We got our boy Santos. He's getting like a bunch of stuff done. But you can see that little A&A kit on there, Grand Sport C6. Oh, this one's gonna be awesome when it's done. Can't wait to make a video with that.
Yeah, I don't have a front loop.
Oh, feels good to sit inside the vet again. You got the Z06 floor mats.
Yeah.
Got that manual.
That's the thing with the I just wanted to make it a little different. I even tinted out the.
And he's just connecting that face plate to the electronics that are in there, and then we'll put the carbon fiber piece that goes on that, and then put the connections for the horn back in, and that's basically it. Man, guys, look at that. All assembled. I'm gonna try the horn. I'm gonna plug the battery in to see if it works. But look at that. That is nice. Alright guys, I've come to this side. I'm gonna take a quick seat inside the driver's spot so I can see a better angle of it. But man, that is clean. That is clean. I'm gonna put that carbon fiber piece right here on it and we'll show. So there's some 3M on the back. He's trying to take those off so that we can go ahead and put that piece on there.
Sure it's aligned.
Take your time. Make sure you like where it sits.
Boom. Just like that. Push it in. Make sure it's sticking. Nice. Yeah, just like that.
Man, guys, that carbon fiber piece added on there, that looks freaking good. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and do that catch can. As you can see, there it is right there.
Just that way.
Got the LT4. LT4 supercharged.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so change of plan. So I know you saw the part we were putting on that catch can, so actually we're gonna skip that. Alright guys, so anyway, like I said, we just did a steering wheel. We're gonna disregard doing the catch can. Don't worry, probably do another video or something like that later on. But that steering wheel looks really good in there.